Here, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone not ringing on oncoming calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's going to be very annoying if you're missing calls, especially if you're expecting something important and you're missing it because your iPhone isn't ringing. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your iPhone is not set to silent mode. So on the left of your phone, above the volume button, you're going to see a tiny button and you want to press that and make sure that your phone is not in silent. The next thing you want to do is swipe down and you're going to see your control panel. Now, a lot of people use the do not disturb mode, but sometimes people might forget when you are on your do not disturb mode. So if you are on it, it's going to show up like this. Just click it again and turn it off. And now you should be receiving notifications from apps. The final thing you want to do is go to settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down to apps and then just search for the phone app. Once you find it, you're going to be in the settings for your phone. And what you want to do is go to the setting where it says silence unknown callers. You want to click that and make sure that this isn't toggled on. This basically means if you're getting rung by someone that is not in your contacts, if you had this enabled, you wouldn't be able to hear anything and it would be silent. The final thing you want to do is check your blocked contacts. If someone's trying to ring you but they're in your blocked contacts, you're not going to be able to receive any phone calls or messages from them.